I think they said something. I think they had to get us. What they talking about? They don't want none of us.
Ain't no motherfucking fighting. You fucking with my shit. Somebody died tonight. These niggas on my head, they be high as a kite. If it's crazy on my head, I'ma tell me a flight. I know these niggas want me dead, but they ain't shot at me yet. Ain't got at me yet. I guess I might go find me a bit. And that's the thing, and JD is my interconnect. If you run up on the phone, I leave a mess with a check. Money, gang, and crime, they're connected with gang leaders. It's been in full trigger, ain't no dope on my game. Some niggas flag and do something that we tango. Cause I ain't on the phone, cause I know we got that drink right, baby. I want to keep my ride out like exhibit. I'm tripping 3C murder, then you like no limit. Niggas want that home, but this here my new shit. Ain't no red or blue shit, we out here on that green shit.
Yeah, crime boss in the building, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Led died, putting it down, shout out to all about niggas. Hey. Yeah. Hey.